Hello guys, review tablet LENOVO Tab M8. This version 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. Okay, with clear case, open box and look complementation. In complementation we have two boxes, one with clear case and with tablet. Device made of plastic. Okay, on the back side, on the front side we have 9-inch display. On this we have adapter for charging with quick charge, and on this Type-C cable. It's all complementation. Now talk about device. Main camera 5 megapixels. On this side slot for nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Speaker first, second speaker, Type-C port and headphones jack on this side. Power key and power button and volume buttons on the up side. Okay, turn on. We have Android 12. Look settings. Display HD resolution. IPS display. About tablet, Android 12. Close this. Look into the benchmark. We have 4GB RAM memory, CPU MediaTek MT 8766, and GPU PowerVR Roach GE8300. Results. Okay, close this. Run GTA San Andreas. Game works only on the low graphic level. Okay, close this. Camera we have 5 megapixels. Translate mode, video mode, photo mode and portrait mode only we have. 5 megapixels main camera. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.